Read the question. This is question number 1, and it is given how many electrons in 1 second constitute a current of 1 ampere. How many electrons in 1 second constitute a current of 1 ampere? Try to solve the questions and give your answer. How many electrons in 1 second constitute a current of 1 ampere? Option A 6.25 into 10 to the power 18, 6.25 multiplied 10 to the power 12, 6.25 multiplied 10 to the power 11, and 6.25. Then Aryan, okay. Anyone, कोई ऐसा भी बच्चा जो अभी तक नहीं कर पाया है, कैन टेल मी. नहीं तो हम मूव करेंगे सेकेंड क्वेश्चन पे. इफ एनीवन, no one is there. Okay. So come to the second question. The second question is 1 coulomb is equal to 1 ampere into 1 second. Option A. Option B 1 ampere per second. Option C 1 joule 1 ampere. Option D none of these. 1 coulomb is equal to 1 ampere into 1 second. Option B 1 ampere per second. 1 joule multiply 1 ampere. Option D none of these. Okay. Anyone is left? कोई भी बच्चा जो अभी तक नहीं रिप्लाई कर पाया, बिल्कुल बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि टाइम आपको भरपूर दिया जाएगा. ठीक है. But everyone will try to give the correct answer. Okay. I am coming to the question number 3. When a body is negatively charged by friction, it means option A, the body has acquired excess of electrons, the body has acquired excess of protons, the body has lost some electrons, the body has lost some neutrons. Here are the 4 options, and you may reply your correct options. That is question number 3. When a body is negatively charged by friction, it means the body has acquired excess of electrons. Option B. The body has acquired excess of protons. Option C. The body has lost some electrons. Option D. The body has lost some neutrons. Done? Okay. Anyone? कोई ऐसा बच्चा जो अभी तक नहीं कर पाया हो? Okay. I'm coming to the question number 4. A suitable unit for expressing the strength of electric field is option A volt per coulomb, option B coulomb per meter, option C Newton per coulomb, option D coulomb per Newton. Question number 4. A suitable unit for expressing the strength of electric field. Here are the 4 options: A, B, C and D. C stands for coulomb, V stands for potential and M stands for meter. N stands for, you may say neutron, Newton stands for Newton. Done? Okay. कोई और बच्चा अगर रह गया हो तो बिल्कुल बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपको समय दिया गया है और आप कोशिश करें कि 100% अपना एक्यूरेट आंसर देने के लिए, क्योंकि आपके सारे आंसर रिकॉर्ड भी हो रहे हैं और आपके तो जो भी आप रिप्लाई करेंगे उसका आंसर हमारे पास आएगा भी. फाइनली आर्यन विल सेंड द कॉपी ऑफ ऑल द replies, so students try to give the maximum. Now I'm coming to the question number 5. If I is the current through a wire and E is the charge of electron, then number of electron in t second will be given by. आपको कह रहा है कि I is the current of a wire through a wire and E is the charge of electron, then number of electrons in t second will be given by I into E by T. Option B, E upon I into T. Option C, I into T upon E. Option D, I into T into E. Which is the right option? Done? Okay. Now come to question number 6. Conventionally, the direction of the current is taken as conventionally the direction of the current is taken as option A, the direction of flow of negative. Option B, the direction of flow of atoms. Option C, the direction of flow of positive charge. The direction, option D, the direction of flow of molecule. Conventionally, the direction of the current is taken as, and four options in front of you. Read the question carefully and then apply your answer correctly. ओके, और कोई स्टूडेंट जो रह गया हो? नो वन. Now come to the question number 7. Question number 7 is the space around a charge is called its, the space around a charge is called its potential, field, field intensity and potential difference. क्वेश्चन फिर से रीड कर लें. द स्पेस अराउंड a charge is called its, option A potential, option B field, option C field intensity, option D potential difference. Done, student? Okay. Come to the question number 8. So what is not true for electric charge? What is not true for electric charge? ऑप्शन ए, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी. नॉट ट्रू की बात कर रहा है, ट्रू की बात नहीं कर रहा है. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी. चार्ज ऑन अ बॉडी मे बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. SI यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज इज कूलम्ब. and D, 1 coulomb is charge of 1 electron, which is not correct. Done? Okay. Now question number 9. An electric bulb is connected in an electric circuit. 10 charge coulomb flow through this bulb in 5 seconds. Find the current flowing through this bulb. Option A 2 ampere. Option B 5.5 ampere. Option C 7.2 ampere. Option D 11 ampere. Okay. So this is the last question of this MCQ. Where a unit of conductivity is option A ohm meter, option B Siemens per meter, option C kilometer per hour, option D none of these. ये ओम जो सेकेंड ऑप्शन है स्टूडेंट वो ओम पर मीटर है, हालांकि वाई इट इज रिटन हियर कहाँ जहाँ से भी हमने लिया है आप वहाँ पे ओम पर मीटर पढ़ना, ठीक है। ऑप्शन बी ओम पर मीटर है वो। ऑप्शन ए ओम मीटर, ऑप्शन बी ओम पर मीटर, ऑप्शन सी किलोमीटर पर आवर, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दी। Okay. So students, we have completed 10 objective questions and I hope all of you have given your reply in comment box. Now be ready to tally your answers. How many questions answer have you given the correctly? Suppose that you have given 7 correct answer out of 10, then you will reply 7 of 7, only 7, not 7 oblique 10. Okay, so that I can see who has get the how many marks. So come to the answer sheet. First, you come to the answer sheet. See, this is the answer sheet. Now, tell your answer of the questions. The answer of question A, 1. Option A is the correct. Option A, 1 is correct. 2. Option A is correct. Option 3, A is correct. Option 4, sorry, question 4, option C is correct. Question 5, option C is correct. Question 6, option C is correct. Question 7, option B is correct. Question 8, option D is correct. Question 9, option A is correct. And question 10, option B is correct. So tell your answers. How many answers have you given correct? And then reply your marks in comment box. Out of 10, each question is of 1 mark. So 10 marks out of 10, reply your marks. And do fast so that we can come on the subjective part. Done, student? Have you tell your answer? Reply me. Aryan, आर्यन, और कोई बच्चा जो अभी तक नहीं टैली किया, फटाफट बता दो आप। Do fast within 2 minutes. सबने कर लिया? students, we are coming to the subjective part and you will try to give the answer of the subjective question. Okay, so come to the question number one. See, this is the question number one and write it as short. Define conductor, insulator and electric potential. What is conductor? What is insulator? And what is electric potential? First question, define resistance. Resistance, state its SI unit. And then second question, define conductor, insulator, and electric potential. Here are the two questions on this page. Define the term resistance, state its SI unit. And the second question, there are three parts in the question second, conductor, insulator, and electric potential. Done everyone? Okay. Come to the question number third. Explain any three factors affecting the resistance of a conductor. Done everyone? Explain any three factors affecting the resistance of conductor. Write in a short, not more descriptive. Explain any three factors affecting the resistance of a conductor. और कोई बच्चा जो अभी तक रह गया हो? एनीवन जिसने रिप्लाई नहीं किया हो, चाहे वो क्वेश्चन वन का, सेकंड का या थर्ड का? चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर. Question number 4 is state Ohm's law. Is Ohm's law valid for all conductors of electricity? State Ohm's law means what is Ohm's law? And then the second part of this question is it valid for all conductors of electricity? Is it valid for all conductors of electricity? And students try to do in a short time because only 5 minutes are left. Student, state Ohm's law. Is Ohm's law valid for all conductors of electricity? Done everyone? Okay. Now come to question number 5. Distinguish between ohmic and non-ohmic resistor. जल्दी करो बेटा, दो क्वेश्चन अभी और रह गए हैं, 6 और 7. Distinguish between ohmic and non-ohmic resistors. Distinguish between ohmic and non-ohmic resistors. Done? Okay. Come to the और कोई बच्चा रह गया? चलो. Question number 6. A wire of resistance 4 ohm is redrawn by pulling it such that its length gets double. What is its new resistance? A wire of resistance 4 ohm is redrawn by pulling it such that its length gets double. What is its new resistance? A wire of resistance 4 ohm is redrawn by pulling it such that its length gets doubled. What is its new resistance? Okay, done. And last question of today. Find the specific resistance of a wire of length 1.1 meter, 0.4 meter in diameter, and having a total resistance of 4.2 ohm. हो गया? Done everyone? Aryan? Okay. स्टूडेंट कोई भी अभी जाएगा नहीं लीव करके कोई भी अपने से लीव नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि आपको लास्ट में थोड़ा सा फीडबैक जो भी आपका होगा आप कमेंट में करेंगे, ठीक है, कमेंट करेंगे। अभी जस्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, आपको आंसर इसका दिखा दे रहे हैं, उसके बाद आप लोग लीव कर दीजिएगा। हो गया आर्या? ओके। Now those students who have not done, they may try by using the formula R equal rho into L upon A for those questions 6 and 7, because there are only two numerical. And for the answer 6 is question number 6, 16 ohm, and the option 7, question number 7, answer is 0.4 ohm. So